Hi everybody, I'm Laura and welcome to another one of the Figment 6-minute writing mini workshops. I do these each day to help people across the world really now with their procrastination and their creativity, and to help them set up a regular writing practice. It's something I set up myself to help with my own writing actually. I knew if I was turning up here each day to help other people, then that would form that accountability, so I'd be more likely to do my own writing too. So thank you so much for being a part of that, and thank you so much to everybody for your kind and generous comments and feedback. It has really helped keep me going over the last 4 months here of lockdown. There have been some tough days, as there have been for all of us, and your kindness and generosity have been hugely appreciated. So for that reason, I'm going to give 3 people a chance of a one-to-one session with me to help them again with increase your creativity, decrease your procrastination, and set up a regular writing practice. If you would like to have the chance for one of those, to receive one of those hours, then for free, then you can review. All you have to do is pop reviews onto Facebook, Audible and Amazon of what I do here, or if you've been to any of my workshops in person or any one-to-one sessions, or if you've read my little books there, Magpie Mind and Wellspring, or Magpie Mind and Wellspring, then please do review them. All feedback is very much appreciated, and it helps me make sure that I'm doing as good a job as I can to help people with their writing. It's something that I am very, very passionate about, which is the reason I'm here today. So, our prompt today for the 6-minute workshop is something I think that is quite relevant to, has been quite relevant to a lot of us while we've been on lockdown, and it is the box set, and using box setting as a verb as well. I can't quite bring myself to do it and to take it completely seriously, to say, oh, I'm going to be box setting today, but it's great to have the chance to do that. And I with my 5-year-old and a busy schedule, get the chance occasionally to box set things, and it's been great to have the chance to have a good look at Netflix. And I love stories, which is one of the reasons that I quite enjoy watching telly. I usually try and combine it with a bit of exercise as well. This is my exercise. I have a stepper downstairs and a rowing machine, so it doesn't feel like too much of an indulgence if I do box set. Feel free to drop any recommendations of box sets and I will pop them on my to watch list. I will hopefully get the chance to get to it at some point over the next 5 years or so and get to the end of my to watch list. So 96, we are nearly, that countdown is marching on. We are nearly at the 100 workshops. I'll announce at the end of on day 100, which is in a week's time, who will be getting the one-to-one sessions with me. Okay, so 6-minute writing. Let me get my phone. As ever, keep it going, keep it flowing, keep writing, even if the only thing you can think of writing is I don't know what to write, I don't know what to write. Something will come through at some point. Just keep it going, and just whatever comes to mind, or just whatever even better, whatever comes, doesn't even come to mind, it just flows through you, through your pen onto the paper or onto the screen if you're typing away on the computer. So your 6 minutes, don't worry about editing, just write. Okay? On box setting. Okay, that is your 6 minutes up. If you have found a wee vein of gold there that you want to keep mining, just keep going with that, keep writing if you found a great idea until you're finished. If you have finished, then great, good. Feel free to pop any recommendations of box sets, as I say, into the comments below here. I found it really interesting, the box setting during lockdown. I think sometimes we can feel, particularly when we're physically distanced from people, it's easy to feel emotionally distanced from people as well. And watching a box set, even though you know these people are fictional, it can be an interesting way to connect, and it's been fun to connect with friends as well while we've watched box sets and share thoughts and ideas and, oh, have you gotten up to this bit yet? No, don't tell me. It's been really good fun, and I've even received feedback from some of you out there box set these videos too, which is fantastic. I love the idea of saving up, 3 or 4 or 5 and having a little marathon Wellspring writing session. It's a cracking idea that I sometimes do as well when I go back and revisit some of the prompts. I don't tend to revisit the videos, it's a bit cringy watching myself on the videos, but I do revisit the prompts quite often and go back into them in more depth. So yes, thank you very much to Netflix and Amazon Prime and Sky and all these places that do box sets, because they have been a godsend at some points for me and for lots of you out there. Who doesn't enjoy a good story? And a box set means you can really, it's like a series of novels when you realise that there are lots of seasons of a series that has been well regarded, and you think, oh yes, that's going to keep me going for ages. It's like, as I say, a series of books that you don't want to get to the end of, and then you have to slow it down when you watch it or read them later on because you don't want them to end. So there's something very special about a really good story that you can box set. Anyway, thank you again for joining me, and this is day 96. I look forward to seeing you again in the lead up to day 100. Keep safe, keep well, and happy writing, everybody.